welcome back again. So guys, I just received this package, and this is a little walker, a form of treadmill, but not really. Is a walker for walking at home. So I got it personally for myself because you guys, I want to be healthy.
Whoa.
Let's see.
Be careful.
I wanted to wait for my husband to do this, but
You need to be careful.
I said this one is not like,
Careful.
I don't think it will be difficult, so let me just do it on my own.
You like it?
I've not opened it, so how will I do it like this? So
Is that my car? Wow. Gosh. Mommy, be careful.
you need to fix it though. Abi, I would have wait for Oga. Who sent me? I would have just wait for my husband because all these kind of things I don't like doing them on my own. This one I'm at work.
Mommy.
This one is my work. Guys,
Mommy, sorry.
now my work. Guys, we go bundle and wait for Oga. My husband has gone to work. I'm going to wait for him.
Yay.
Because this is not me. Oh, my stand up. Leave it here. So that if he come back, at least he will irritate. Oh, when leave the road down, you are blocking me. So that the thing will irritate his eyes, so that he will fix it for me. So let me just push it to one corner. We are too strong. Let me wait so.
Lucy, be careful.
Guys, we are about to, oh wait, stop that. We are about to get it fixed now. My husband is back from work. You guys know when I open it, I close and back fast because the whole things, the things inside are too much. So my husband is going to help me arrange them now. Waistline.
It's time that I confessed it, what I have neglected. I stole a heart and left it, to break right on the
You
floor.
are welcome.
Regret has left me totally undone. Well,
Give it to that. Came with a lot of
help
things.
someone.
It comes with this as well. If you are working, you can be used. You can also be
Thought
training
I
with your hand.
held
That is
the
one thing I
power,
like
that
about
theory has soured.
Oh my, don't try that. I cannot sleep this night. Don't do that.
Oh my, stop it. Go and sit down.
Anytime I buy something, you must use this thing to sweat and see. They are teaching his brother. You, small as you are. Oh yeah, go and sit down.
Hope this helps
Go
someone.
and sit down. You want to go and report.
Take it from me. If you're trying to survive, take it from me.
Try this, that's very nice. We came with a lot of things. This one, I don't know if it's like this
The
or what.
heaviness I'm feeling, that's stealing my joy
Oh,
now.
wow, it's like this.
If I'd been a better
Wow.
don't do like I've
Even if you
done,
don't want
'cause
to
it
train
ain't
with the
fun.
treadmill, like you can just put this one, using it for
Hope
your,
this helps someone.
for waistline. Yeah. Oh, well, leave it. Guys. Enter, no.
So take it from me.
Let's go.
You're trying
Enter,
to
come, let's
survive. Take it from me. Truth comes out in the light. So choose to be respectful and helpful and honest.
Oh, well,
Hope this helps someone.
把我都选了，小6点，6点。哎，这我。
He wants to exercise.
Tight. Hey, Joe, go back.
Don't give me a yay.
This people, yeah.
Now that one you want to show this. Be like saying a man, I just wait.
Honey, wait first. Don't be mad, wow. When they buy things, so you want to try something.
That's electric. They're not electric tools.
Just live there, just live there.
Now man. See, you better move your hands.
One more stop.
Yeah, which kind of will be this one?
Which one? This is good.
Is that it?
One more, wait. One more, come sit down.